Okay, yung breakfast nila for today. Coffee. Favorite melon, kakwan, kimchi, peanut, charon. May rin pagpipilian. Charon. Sticky rice, sunset, fried rice. Ito naman mga noodles. Kinds of noodles. Wala. Vegetable naman dito sa area na to. Ano? Vegetable. Corn. Kamote. What's this? Ewan ko. So, mantaw. Ano niya, bread section. Ito yung coffee. Good morning. Ngayon lang kayo ha. Sakto. Oh, good morning, Jay.